Hi, this is Matthias here from Windsor.ai. Today I'll show you how you get Instagram data streamed into your Snowflake database. This is not about Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Meta ads. This is about organic data. Let's get started. To begin with, you head to onboard.windsor.ai, and then in here you type Instagram, and then you click Grant Instagram Access. Then you're redirected, you're prompted to install the Facebook app. Once this is done, select the accounts in the drop-down below, and then click on Preview and Destination here. And now on the right-hand side, you see a drop-down. For you, it will likely only be Instagram in this list. Click on it, and then you select the fields you want to query. You have a field list here, so feel free to add whatever fields you want to stream over. Now for this demo, I'm just going to get the profile followers over for our Instagram page. It does not have a whole lot of followers. Maybe that's something we would need to change, but for today, the example is to get data into Snowflake. Now down here, you click on Add Destination Task in Snowflake, and then you fill this whole form here. That's how it will look. Of course, you will need to add your own credentials here. Give it a table name. And now here important, no need for you to create a table. We will take care of that on the first upload. The table is created. Please make sure that no table with the name specified here exists. Then click on Schedule. And over here, I'm going to sync the data at 2 a.m. UTC daily. Important time zone here is UTC. And then I click Save below. Now the upload is completed. And in my Snowflake instance, I should now be able to refresh and get the table displayed over here. Yes, here it is, dummy Instagram data. Now if we have a preview, see here, this is the description of the table. And then we can also show the records of the table. So you see the table was created and the data from the preview is now in this table. Now what you can do as a next step is you can run a backfill. You can backfill year worth of data, 2 years worth of data, click save again, and then the backfill process starts in the background. Now you can create multiple of these destinations, of course. I would recommend making some for the profile, some for the posts, some for the stories, and so on. Thanks very much for watching this video and enjoy working with our connectors.